When it comes to fertilizer companies, what is going to be the impact? Varsha joins in with a detailed report on how fertilizer stocks perform when there is above normal monsoon.
Right. Thank you for that. Simply put, if I were to say a good sufficient above normal monsoon directly impacts or rather boosts agriculture produce, this means farmers have more water for their crops. Now, when there's ample rain, we see a significant increase in kharif sowing. That's the main summer crop season. And the increased farming activity directly translates into higher demand for fertilizers, especially complex fertilizers like DAP and NPK fertilizers, which are crucial for crop growth. Now, note that DAP is nothing but a diammonium phosphate fertilizer which contains both nitrogen and phosphorus. Now, the core point over here is how fertilizer stocks have performed during good monsoons, that is above normal monsoons. That's what we are focusing on. So, if you see the results are a bit mixed. For instance, in 2024, while Deepak Fertilisers saw a slight dip, Coromandel International gained almost 22% and Chambal Fertilizers gained 26%. Looking back at 2022, if I were to talk about, it was strong year for Deepak Fertilizers with a massive 139% gain, and Chambal Fertilizers also did well. Talking about financial performance, how fertilizer companies have performed in above average rainfall, because that's what the core area is, which will actually help us to know what is the expectations for FY26. The Coromandel International, for example, is projected to show a robust 10% growth when it comes to FY26, suggesting continued strength. While EBITDA growth, if I were to talk about, let's talk about EBITDA growth of the companies. Now, Coromandel International to have strong EBITDA growth of 24% in FY26. Now, Paradeep Phosphates also stands with an impressive 87% growth in FY25, while is also expected almost 18% growth in FY26. Moving on, if I were to talk about so over here also, if you see, Coromandel is expected to outperform in FY26. We're talking about profit growth, which is one of the important factors when it comes to fertilizers company. Paradeep Phosphate is expected to be a standout performer in FY26 with a projected profit growth of 25%. This follows a massive 5x growth in FY25. So overall, the key takeaways of this presentation is based on this trends. Coromandel International is expected to be outperformer in FY26 with revenue and EBITDA growth, but on the profit side, Paradeep Phosphate is projected to show the strong performance. So in conclusion, good monsoon is a crucial tailwind when it comes to fertilizer sector, and all the companies which we mentioned before will be gaining in FY26 as well.